Yo, what's up my young friends? Uncle Vinny coming at you with a fresh vid. I may reminisce about my Mafia days, but now I'm all about that freelancing life. Today, we're going to talk about how to become the best freelancer you can be. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first. Freelancing ain't no walk in the park. You can't just hop on the bandwagon and expect the cash to start flowing. So don't think you can just sit back and watch those fat stacks roll in. You gotta hustle. Now that we've got that misconception out of the way, let's talk about how to really make it as a freelancer. Find your passion. Figure out what gets your motor running and stick to it. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or even underwater basket weaving, you gotta love what you do. Build your skills. Don't be a one-trick pony. Keep learning and growing. The more skills you have, the more valuable you are to clients. Market yourself. You can't be all hush-hush like in my old life. You gotta put yourself out there. Create a bomb portfolio, network like a boss, and use social media to showcase your work. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step 1, research your field. Learn about the competition, what's in demand, and how to set yourself apart. Step 2, set your rates. Don't be selling yourself short, but don't be greedy either. Find that sweet spot that works for you and your clients. Step 3, create a killer portfolio. Show off your best work and make it easy for potential clients to see what you can do. Step 4, network. Connect with other freelancers, attend industry events, and join online forums to make connections and find gigs. Step 5, stay organized. Use tools like calendars, task lists, and time trackers to stay on top of your game. Step 6, keep learning. Never stop improving your skills and knowledge in your field. The more you know, the more you grow. Step 7, be persistent. Don't give up, even when times are tough. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful freelancing career. So there you have it, my young friends. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to becoming the best freelancer in your field. Now go get them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from Uncle Vinny. Catch you on the flip side.